media discussions have formed the basis for the themes presented in this video. Here you can also see graphics created with artificial intelligence techniques. Sharing what we have learned is the driving force of this video. Our greatest hope is that this video finds a meaningful plus for you. Also, this is a speculation about the 2025 Ferrari Barchetta. The 2025 Ferrari Barchetta is largely a product of internet discussion, a ghostly car that has been imagined by Ferrari fans, car historians, design experts, and performance aficionados, and it haunts the virtual halls of automotive speculation. Recognizing the deep lack of official substantiation is the first step toward intellectually rigorous engagement with this topic. Ferrari or its parent company has been noticeably quiet, with no official announcements, leaked plans, or whispered statements from company insiders. The lack of official approval turns each study into a game of theoretical engineering and speculative design, exploring unexplored realms of what might be instead of reporting what is. On the other hand, such speculations are very popular in the online car community, and the possibility of a Barchetta rebirth has become a recurrent theme. Here, fans can imagine the ideal car, often referencing Ferrari's storied racing history. The very name Barchetta conjures up romantic notions of open-top racing and the simple, light machines that typified the Sportesse golden era, when drivers had a profound connection to the machine's underlying mechanics. A low-slung, curving form, a seamless fusion of vintage-style elements with the current aerodynamic principles, is commonly depicted in these imaginative renderings, which are usually painstakingly made with an eye for both historical correctness and modern aesthetic sensibilities. The 250 Testarossa, the 750 Monza, and the 166mm are some of the legendary models that served as inspiration for the design, but they have been updated for the modern era. The hallmark of the Barchetta design concept is the visceral connection between driver and surroundings, which is emphasized by the recurrent theme of either not having a windshield at all or having one that is very low. The inside is designed to be a haven of minimalist driver-centric design, with an emphasis on lightweight materials, high-quality finishes, and the smooth combination of digital and analog controls. The dashboard is designed to provide an immersive driving experience by focusing on vital information and intuitive buttons, free of extraneous clutter. The seats are a masterpiece of carbon fiber design, offering maximum support and comfort, while the steering wheel is an artistic expression in and of itself, providing an unobstructed view of the road ahead. These speculations say that the 2025 Barchetta's powertrain is its most important component. As is customary for Ferrari vehicles, this made-up vehicle would likely be propelled by a naturally aspirated V12 engine. But hybrid technology will most certainly be used to deal with the ever-changing terrain of pollution standards. This might take the form of a mild hybrid system, which increases power and efficiency slightly, or a more sophisticated plug-in hybrid design, which has a limited electric-only range. Careful management of the electric motors and battery packs would keep the Barchetta's dynamic balance and weight to a minimum, guaranteeing that the car would keep its responsiveness and agility. The engine would be fine-tuned for peak responsiveness, producing the characteristic Ferrari sonic symphony and linear burst of power. As a memorial to the craftsmanship of Ferrari's engine builders, the Barchetta would be known for its distinctive exhaust noise, a masterfully arranged symphony of combustion. The 2025 Barchetta, being an Icona series vehicle, would be a very rare and valuable collectible, representing Ferrari's illustrious history and dedication to making classic cars. There would be a hard cap on production, and Ferrari would likely hand out invitations to its most discerning customers. Inevitably, the price tag would be exorbitant, relegating the Barchetta to the exclusive domain of extremely wealthy individuals and picky collectors. Years of careful planning and engineering would go into the construction of the Barchetta, and it would undergo rigorous testing and refinement to guarantee it lives up to expectations. There are a lot of obstacles, such as incorporating hybrid technology without altering the car's handling or finding a happy medium between the car's vintage design and modern aerodynamic requirements. The intricacy of the project makes delays possible, and the 2025 release date, which has been widely speculated about, has not been confirmed. A work of art in both form and function, The aerodynamic design would have meticulously sculpted surfaces and integrated aerodynamic components to increase downforce and decrease drag. The Barchetta would be able to dominate on the road and in the race thanks to its suspension system, which uses sophisticated adaptive dampers to strike a balance between ride quality and handling. The brake system would provide outstanding fade resistance and stopping power with its carbon ceramic discs and lightweight calipers. A level of controlled slip and slide would be possible with the electronic stability control system set for maximum driver engagement, adding to the excitement of the driving experience. The lighting system would have a unique light signature and maximize visibility with its cutting-edge LED technology. The multi-layered paint job would bring out the car's sculpted curves and lines even more. The car's design and performance would be enhanced by the wheels, which would be forged from lightweight alloys. A more immersive driving experience could be possible with the installation of high-tech haptic feedback systems inside the cabin. If an infotainment system were to be installed, it would be sleek, unobtrusive, and centered around the most important data. If it had a sound system, it would be top-notch so you could enjoy the music to the most. Exposed carbon fiber components and painstakingly carved details make the engine compartment look like it belongs in an art gallery. An active valve system might be incorporated into the exhaust system, giving the driver the ability to customize the sound level. A variety of colors inspired by Ferrari's racing tradition can be available for the car. The present 2025 Ferrari Barchetta is a ghost car, but it proves how powerful the imagination of car enthusiasts can be and how persistent the prancing horse's charm can be. Its existence is highly unlikely due to a lack of official information and the inherent difficulties of making a limited production, high-performance car. Yet the dream lives on and the conjecture goes onorevole.